So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create signals on Zoho CRM. So for that, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now guys, select the first website. Now guys, log into your account right here and then click on this profile picture. Now choose this Access Zoho CRM. And now you have to select this bells icon. Now select this configure button. Now you can see this option right here which is called create your own signal. Now just select it. And now you have to just fill all of these details right here, which is label, services, namespace, select the signal icon and etc. And after filling all of these details, you just have to click on this create button and your signal successfully created on Zoho CRM. So that's how you guys can able to create signals on Zoho CRM, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.